Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you are well. I have decided I'm going to take you along with me this weekend. I have been having the most busy but productive and satisfying couple of weeks, and it's been very steady go. It's just constant work and networking, and it's been a lot of fun. And on top of that, I'm around more of my family here on the East Coast right now, so making sure I'm connecting with a lot of people that I hadn't seen in a while has definitely been a priority in my books. And after a couple of weeks of just steady go, I am ready for a weekend to just brighten my mind and even brighten my body, and I'm going to take today especially to just do all of that. I'm going to have an awesome weekend. I'm actually doing a little bit of a staycation here in St. John's with my friend Hannah. We thought this would be a really lovely thing to do. And I thought, since today is just naturally going to be one of those days where I'm just kind of taking a breather and just having some fun and really just brightening up my act, I thought this is the perfect time to take you along with me to show you some tips and tricks. And I'm actually partnering with Aveeno on this video, so it couldn't be a more perfect time. So I'm really excited to show you guys what I've put together today to really rejuvenate all of this. So as you can see, I'm in very comfy, cozy attire. I have my big warm sweater on from Aritzia that I got last year. I have gotten so much use out of this sweater. It is amazing, and it's held up so well. I'm sure you guys have seen many pictures on Instagram of me wearing this, and there will be more. Again, I'm the kind of person that I buy things and I wear them. I make sure I wear them. So I'm all cozied up. It's still pretty early out, so I'm gonna take this opportunity to go hydrate my skin, put on some makeup, and do my hair, and put on an outfit to go meet my friend Hannah. And we're gonna go for a really lovely walk. And probably lots of food, let's be real. Ooh, I can't wait to do something with this hair after. So I'm gonna do my skincare now. It's really important for me to have a good base for my makeup. It also means wearing less makeup, and I really work towards having my skin looking less dull, being more bright, and just having an even complexion. And the first step for me is just so important, and it makes such a huge difference, and that is exfoliating and scrubbing my skin, especially my face, and it really needs it right now. So I'm gonna go in with one of my favorites, and this is the Aveeno Positively Radiant Skin Brightening Daily Scrub. And all you have to do with this is just wet your face a little bit with some water, take some of the scrub, exfoliate gently across your face, and then rinse it off. I love when products are that easy, so I'm gonna do that now. Let me grab a towel. Do you
ever wanna go somewhere that feels like your own? Just get away from all of the crowd, like a dream that you've been missing, so deep sleeping.
And I always love the way Aveeno smells. This exfoliator is very gentle, and that's what I love about it. I think it's important to be cautious of the scrubs you use on your skin, because you don't want them scratching the surface of your skin or being too harsh. But this is absolutely lovely, and the Positively Radiant line is great because it's actually infused with soy. There's so many benefits to soy. It just smells so good. I really like getting my nose because my nose gets really dry. I'm gonna rinse this off now and then put on my moisturizer. And a little trick for all of you: when you're washing your face and you want bright skin, be sure not to use hot water or even warm water that is like closer to the hot end. I actually like using a little bit of a cooler water on my face because it doesn't dry out your face and it won't damage your skin as well. If you have eczema, yeah, anytime you use hot water, it's just going to dehydrate your skin even faster. And so now that I've exfoliated and it's all wiped off, I am going to go right in right away with my moisturizer. And today I'm using the Sheer Daily Moisturizer from Aveeno, and this is one of their newer products in the line. And this again has their total soy complex, so really lovely. I'm just going to put a couple pumps of that in my hand because I like using a nice amount of moisturizer and then also bringing it down my neck. So I'm going to pat that across my skin, and I like using motions upward when I'm applying my moisturizer. Okay, my skin feels so fresh and glowy right now. What I love about this is that I feel like it conquers the dullness and really evens out the tone of my skin, so that is definitely a bonus. Okay, my face is feeling bright. Now I'm gonna put on some makeup because I find it helps lift my spirits a little bit. I just love the process of putting on makeup. Is anyone else like that? I like to put on my makeup, watch a YouTube video. I don't know, one of my favorite things to do every morning. So I'm gonna go do that now and then put an outfit on, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Woo! Okay, I feel so refreshed now. So I did my makeup and I'm still wearing my cozy sweater. I'm gonna keep this on for a little bit while I wait for Hannah because I'm going to cozy up and have a little bit of alone time before I head out and we do a little bit of a light exercise, I guess. I've been really loving putting my hair back like this lately. I just part it really far over on the side and sweep it over my ear and put it in a low bun, and it's just really comfy. It's not like when you have a high ponytail and then after a while it just gets so uncomfortable and you take it out at the end of the night and it's the best feeling in the world. But yeah, I've been really loving wearing my hair like this, and I like my makeup. Okay, let me just show you quickly what I'm wearing. But this is definitely tip number 2. Tip number 1 being really pamper your skin and get it hydrated. It's gonna make you feel great on the inside and out. But tip number 2 is to wear your favorite things, whether that is your favorite clothes, your favorite socks, your favorite lipstick, whatever it is. It's just going to feel like it's brightening your mood and your spirit. And I don't know about you, but when I'm wearing my favorite things, I just feel my best. So really brightens my day. Okay, so hopefully this will focus all right, but this is my favorite sweater. Like I said, it is from Aritzia. I love the lovely neutral pink color, and I love rolling the neck and the cuffs on it. I just feel like it looks so elegant and lovely. Again, I plan to have this sweater for many, many more years to come. It is my favorite cozy item I own. I'm also wearing this watch from Kate Spade and a hair tie, because if you're like me, you have to wear a hair tie wherever you go. But this watch is one my girlfriend gave me. It is very well worn. It is from Kate Spade, and on the back it says incassable, which means unbreakable in French. How romantic is that? On the bottom, I'm wearing these new dark denim jeans I got at Levi's. They were 30% off. Yeah, I was so excited about that. But then I paired these with long black boots that I got from Zara probably well over a year ago now. These I've worn a lot. They're also very comfy, and I wear them out because I feel like it gives an extra layer of warmth on my bottom half. You know what I mean? Like, I just feel like it's extra cozy. What I'm going to do now is my tip number 3, and that is taking some alone time to breathe and also plan your week ahead. If you're like me, then you sometimes end up focusing all weekend on the tasks that you have to do Monday to Friday after the weekend is over. And one thing I like doing so that I don't spend all of my time just thinking about work all weekend is taking 10, 20 minutes, maybe even a half an hour just to sit down with a little to-do list and a must-do list. I've talked about this before if you guys follow me on Instagram or possibly in one of my last vlogs as well. But to do my to-do list and my must-do list and just write down any thoughts that are floating around in my mind. This clears my mind, it just really elevates my mood, and it makes the rest of the weekend so much more smooth and enjoyable. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna hang out here on this cozy bed and I'm gonna write out everything that I need to do.
Sleeping, then you sit up, waking to the sound so loud. Thinking back to how things were. Long dirt roads and rolling hills.
Hi, I'm back and I found Hannah. Hey. Yay! So we're gonna spend a little bit of time outside, get energized, and enjoy this beautiful day here in St. John's. And yeah, that's my next tip. Spend some time with some great people and some time outdoors. So let's go. We'll take you around St. John's a little bit. hotel room. I just wanted to show you quickly what I was wearing when I was out with Hannah. I have on this leopard print coat that my mom actually got me from Winners. Thanks, Mom. Underneath, I'm wearing this really nice puffed sleeve blouse. This is by Wilfred, which you can get at Aritzia. It's one of those brands that they carry, and they also have their own freestanding store. And I'm wearing the same thing on bottom as before, but I also had my sunglasses on, and these are really, really cool. I love the shape of these. These are like cat eye sunglasses, and I think they look really cute with this coat. But I don't need to wear these anymore because it is now dark outside. Now that I'm back, I am just going to sit and I'm going to maybe watch a couple of videos and do a little bit of content work, but then I'm going to head out to my favorite restaurant, and I love it there. It really reminds me of my girlfriend. We love going there together when she's in town, but it is called the Peaceful Loft, and the Peaceful Loft is a vegetarian slash vegan restaurant. Actually, I think everything they carry is vegan, but it's just so delicious. I'm very excited. Very, very excited. So, just as I suspected, they are very full, but in case you're from St. John's, let me just show you where it is. It is the best place. So I placed an order. It's gonna be ready in about 25 minutes, and I'm just gonna head back to my car and maybe walk around a little bit. Ooh, maybe I'll grab a tea or something. So here's the Peaceful Loft. It's on Duckworth Street, and it's across from the Tim Hortons, but yeah, here's their sign. The absolute best food in St. John's. Even if you're not vegetarian or vegan, try it out. It is divine, and everything's homemade. Oh, it's just like when you eat their food, it's like you're getting a big hug. Food has arrived. Oh, I picked it up and just brought it back. Kind of nuts that none of this has meat in it. So this is their Peaceful Loft roll. It's made with bean curd and it's full of vegetables, and then there's this like soy fluff on top. It's delicious. I got a lotus bun. I got some broccoli and some barbecued tofu, and then there's a bunch of other stuff. This is like all crispy. It's really yummy. It's really good. Oh my god, there's so much food. And then there's a nice miso soup here. Very excited. Oh, and I have to show you this. He packed me a special ginger sauce that he said was just for me. But this he gives all of his customers complimentary when they come in, as well as 2 other sauces which I have in this paper bag. But this stuff is amazing. You know what? I don't know what it is. They're like these little balls, and they're soaked in like spices, and oh my god, I don't know what it is, but it's delicious. So I'm gonna dig into this, watch some Netflix, hang out right before I do my skincare routine for the night. I'm so excited. Oh, and this lotus bun smells so good. Oh my god. When I went to China for the first time, I accidentally ate the paper on the bottom of these because I wasn't sure if I should, of course now thinking back, of course you're supposed to take it off, but I was in a new country and didn't know what to do. Actually smells like my grandmother's bread. Okay, it is the end of the night. I just took off my makeup and I'm feeling really refreshed. I used the makeup removing wipes, which is really nice. And now I'm gonna go in with the Positively Radiant Overnight Hydrating Facial. I love using facials overnight, and this one you can use 2 to 3 times a week, which is really nice. And overnight masks are great because they help to highly moisturize while you're asleep. So I'm gonna cuddle up right now in bed. I'm gonna let this mask sink in. I'm gonna drink a glass of water. I have it right here. I have a glass of hot water here. I'm gonna drink this before I go to bed. I don't know, I just find hot water soothing. Is anybody else like that? So I'm gonna head off to bed now. I had such a nice day. It was so great seeing Hannah, and I'm just feeling so rejuvenated. I'm ready for the week ahead, and I still have 1 more day left of my weekend, which is great, so I'm gonna spend it wisely. So I'm gonna talk to you guys some more tomorrow morning, but first I'm gonna go to sleep. But yeah, I'll chat with you more then. So time to go to bed. I'll see you soon. Good night. Hello again, everyone. I am back home. I had such an incredible weekend, and I feel so rejuvenated. I just want to end the video here, but before I go, I just wanted to let you know that you can purchase any of the Aveeno products I mentioned in this video at Shoppers Drug Mart. Also, be sure to let me know your top tips for brightening up your inside and outsides in the comments down below, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I hope you're all having a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!